Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pre-install or preload Forza Horizon 6 on your PC or laptop. First of all, if you are trying to access a game from your Game Pass or from Xbox app, then search here Forza Horizon 6 in the search bar, select the game and then you'll see pre-install option. But make sure that pre-install option will be only given to the people who own the game or who have PC Game Pass or Ultimate Game Pass, and then only you'll be able to see pre-install option. Just select it. After that it will open this window. Choose the installation path and make sure that you have 160 GB available on your drive. Then select next. After that we need to choose pre-install. You can also check mark create desktop shortcut option in order to get the shortcut, and then choose pre-install and the game will start downloading on your device, and when it officially launches it will be ready to play. But if you are playing Forza Horizon 6 on Steam, then just open Steam app, go to store, and on the store we need to search for Forza Horizon 6 and then just select the game from here, and you need to pre-order the game. The game is not available for month like Game Pass, that's why you have to own the game on Steam. You can add it to cart and purchase the game. Once the purchase is complete, go to Steam library and here choose Forza Horizon 6. Suppose if it is Forza Horizon 6, then you will see preload option here. Click on it, then choose the installation path, and when the game officially launches it will be ready to play. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.